Welcome back to Tamco's Tutorials. This is on the 600 series epoxy primer sealer. 1-to-1 mix, 1 part A, 1 part B, mix, stir, no induction time needed. 1-3, 1-4, 1-8 tip works great. 25 psi. This 661 epoxy, you don't want to put it on heavy. Just like he's doing with the first coat, just enough to cover it, quick and wet. You put it on heavy, you're going to cause yourself problems. Epoxy, less is more. He'll do this whole inside with this one coat, let it flash for 30 minutes, he'll come back and do a second coat. And then the next day he'll put the Raptor on it. Or he's going to do the red first, I believe. This one's going rocket red over a custom mixed sealer color. He's tinted the sealer to a special color for the customer that loved the shade. So gets a custom tinted sealer and then rocket red. Rocket red and black Raptor is going to go great together. See how fast and wet he puts that epoxy on. That's all you do for your coats. Don't load it on. Look how wet and glossy it is, and that's just a quick coat. PSI 25, and he's using a 1.8 tip sealer gun. The 1.4 works perfect for this too. 1.3 even. But he's got a gun for every type of product there is. You see how fast he's going? That's all you want to do on each coat. Don't sit there and go slow. You want to go wet and quick. Alright, here's the first coat. We won't videotape the second coat. Too much time for the video. But nice and wet, nice and uniform. Flash this 30 minutes, he'll put on a second coat. And then you'll see here for the next day, outside the booth, the sheen it has. It loses its shine. And it's just smooth. See how nice and wet and glossy that is? And you'll see in the next picture video coming up how the shine goes away the next day. Don't want to top coat 600 series epoxy for 12 hours. Then you can top coat. Here it is the next day. You can see the sheen's down now. Nice and dry, nice and smooth. You got 7 days to top coat this. This is even used for sealer for painting on the body. You just reduce it down and use it as a sealer. See you guys.